Good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:40. I am going to work out, but today is my first day. Oh, by the way, hi, I'm Kenzie. If you guys are new here, subscribe. Today is the first day of my, let me show you, 21 days to your best body Kenzie Burke guide. We went grocery shopping and prepped and everything for yesterday, so check out my last vlog. But currently I need to make my hot lemon water, and then I also need to make a smoothie, and then I'm heading out to a workout that's at 7:25. So I am making a tropical smoothie. I just have coconut water. You guys need to buy the guide. The guide has everything in it. Like, you have to get the guide. I'll have it linked down below. I'm just gonna put it in my bio forever. So mango, coconut water, cucumber. We forgot romaine lettuce. I'm just realizing that now. Oh yeah, shoot, okay. Then you need 1 date and ginger. We're supposed to have romaine lettuce, but we forgot that, and I feel like that's it. Okay, I lied. You actually need a banana, but like, I don't know how I'm gonna, my thing is just too small for this. This is not. Okay guys, this is like the official good morning, I guess. If you guys haven't seen my vlogs, I am starting the Kenzie Burke like 21 days to your best challenge. It's like food combining. You guys can find her thing down below. Basically, I'm gonna be doing it for the next 21 days, and then like it's gonna be like a lifestyle. So anyways, that's what I was doing. Basically, you have 2 breakfasts, and so the first one, it's like fruit, and which is a smoothie, and then like hot lemon water, and then I'm gonna work out, which I'm on my way right now, and then you have your second breakfast. So yeah, if you guys want to do it with me, it's not too late. Her guide will be linked down below. But I am on my way to Orange Theory. I haven't been to Orange Theory in like maybe a week, maybe less than that. I don't know, like probably 5 days, because I've been trying out all these other workout classes, and I love Orange Theory. I just wanted something different, and so I've been doing a lot of different classes through like ClassPass and stuff, and it's been really fun. Also, my nails are so grown out. They're hideous. Really need to figure that one out. But I have my smoothie, and I'm on my way to go to Orange Theory and work out, and it's gonna be good. Also, I've been Monopoly, Ariana Grande, Victoria Monet, all about it. Okay guys, I'm on my way home from the workout. It's like 8:20. It's such a good feeling when you are driving at like 8 a.m. and you've already gotten your workout done. But I need to go home because I actually am gonna be rushing. I need to make it to the studio by 10. I have to like shower and get ready and leave basically in an hour. Actually, I'm really not rushing. I'm recording for the podcast today, and I have to actually get ready because I have an event in Beverly Hills after. I can't just show up to the studio in biker shorts and a t-shirt like I normally do. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. That workout honestly went by fast. Like, you know when you get out of a workout and you're like, wow, I already did all of that? Like, I guess I was just like so like thinking a lot. I don't really know. It went by really fast though. Yeah, I'm in a rush, but here's what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry and be natural. Hopefully that ends up looking good. My hair is really easy natural, but I would much rather have like curls in it. Just have some gold hoops. My cross necklace from the M Jewelers. This dress is from Princess Polly. This package right here was full. I have like so many new things from them. I'm gonna be filming a haul soon, and I have another box coming, so it's crazy. So I have this dress, and I had to wear sneakers because like I just couldn't wear heels today. It just wasn't it. And yeah, I like the whole like sneakers with the dress trend anyways, but I like tried to wear white little cute Zara heels, and like I just literally cannot do it. Like, I hate it, and I'm just miserable all day, and I'd much rather be comfortable. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go make my second breakfast, and then I'm gonna go get a nitro from Starbucks if I have time, then go to the studio, and then I have that event. But I did this in such a rush. It's such a mess, and like not anything near what I could be making, but here we go. I'm in line at Starbucks getting my nitro. I have
fantastic there.
I've been on FaceTime with my sister. I literally was like speeding through my house trying to get everything done. Also, the toast was amazing. The bread is so good, and it's sold out everywhere. Like, it's very annoying. Oh shoot, I'm like kind of far. But it was so good. Like, even making it like, hi.
$4.75 for you.
Thank you. It literally made it in like 2 seconds, so obviously I didn't make the avocado toast as like I would normally. Like, it wasn't, you know, but it was still actually incredible. Like, it was so good. Wow. Okay guys, I just recorded. I was in the studio for 3 hours. I'm in a rush. I'm in a little bit of a rush because, ooh, what are these cars doing? Okay, I'm leaving the studio. I didn't even record. I didn't even really record, or I've recorded an episode and intros and ads, and then I'm recording in San Diego on Friday, which I'm vlogging our trip. Ryan and Sal are gonna come with me, so it's gonna be super fun. But I didn't really record or film anything in there because I totally forgot, and I'm running late to this event. Paulina was gonna come, but like she can't, it's like so last minute or whatever. Kenzie and I are going. So I am on my way to this event. Thank God it's only a mile from me. I thought it was further, but I'm just like, yeah, we're going to some like Boss Babes event, which it's only from 12 to 2, which is, honestly is a pretty short event. Beverly Boulevard, yeah, this is it. So it's less than it's a half mile from here. 4-minute drive, thank God. Okay, so it's fine. I probably would have gone at this time anyways. I just feel like today's been really rushed, and I hate days that are rushed, but it's okay. We're just gonna chill for a second. I just hate, like, I don't care really when other people are late. I just hate like making people wait. Oh, but I had to get new mics and stuff from Taylor because obviously I'm not recording in the studio and I haven't done that before. Like with the equipment that they give me, so it looks a little bit confusing. I have it in this box right here, so we will see. But yeah, okay, goodbye. We are like at this event. We come all the way over here to the plants. There's not even a thing. I'm with Kenzie. Well, look at us wearing real clothes. See, look at this. We talk about how we never wear real clothes. Here we are. Yeah, so there's just a little event and a panel, and we're at the Beverly Center.
On CandyWashington.com, I cover fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I'm also an author. I have a book out. It's called Sugar Pills.
No, literally. I'm like, it's never works. We're taking Instagram photos now. We just finished with the event, and that's what we're doing. So, just updating you. Okay, so I'm home from the event. I feel like I didn't really vlog much out today. I'm so sorry. Like, I went to an event. The event was fine. It was like a panel and then just some shopping and stuff. We weren't there for that long, and I recorded an episode. I think I already told you what I recorded. I recorded with a friend of mine from Zoe who does like financial stuff and has like a really good Instagram that's very informative, called Melissa Talks Money, I believe, or Mel Talks Money or something like that. It's really like good. So if you guys are trying to get a hold of your finances, definitely recommend. Okay, I'm gonna make lunch. I was actually just with, okay, I vlogged. I was just with Kenzie. She told me that I should make rice cakes with hummus and cucumbers and the everything but the bagel seasoning stuff from Trader Joe's. This stuff, guys. Okay, wait, why do I keep losing it? Okay, everything but the bagel sesame, absolutely amazing. This is so good. So for lunch, I just made these rice cakes. Kenzie said to make 4 since this is my lunch. Rice cakes fill me up so much, so I don't know if I'll be able to eat all of this. Rice cakes, hummus, cucumber, lemon, and then the everything but bagel seasoning. And that is what I'm gonna have. I'll probably have a mineral water as well. Okay, I'm currently in my office. I just ate lunch. It was so good and very filling. That's the thing about, I don't even know. That's the thing about food combining, is that it's not restrictive, so like you don't eat less. If anything, I'm probably eating more. And I also have my mineral water. But I just booked my Airbnb. It's so freaking cute, guys. I wish I will show you guys in the next vlog. I was gonna show you now, but I'm gonna show you in the next vlog. I'll show you in the next vlog because we're going tomorrow, but I have a lot of prep to do, so I'm just getting a lot of work done. I think I might have plans tonight, I'm not really sure, and yeah, I'm just so excited. So I've just been working. This candle is amazing. It's from Target. I don't know the actual scent, and I ripped it off. I'm so sorry, but it smells so good. I need a new desk. This desk is just like trash. Like there's nothing I can even do. Like I clean it all the time, and it's absolutely trash. Not a good look. So I am currently so tired. I have my mineral water. I just have been doing a lot of computer work. I think I'm gonna go to church with Taylor tonight. And I need to like cook dinner. I was doing laundry and just prepping for my trip to San Diego tomorrow because I'm not gonna be home until like 1. I actually need to figure out my plans with that completely. So I'm gonna do that, and then I might edit a little bit, but I know that I'm gonna get a lot of editing done tomorrow before the hot Pilates class. So I'm very excited for that. I feel like Saturday I'm gonna have to work a little bit more than I want to. I want to start taking a rest day very seriously, like a Sabbath day. I'm supposed to do that, and I've been really bad about it. My mom comes this upcoming week, so as you guys are watching this, she might be here because these vlogs are normally like a week ahead. But yeah, you guys also have been like way more active on Instagram lately, and so have I, and it's just been so fun. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Okay, so I mentioned how I really wanted the perfect crew neck from Aritzia, and they sold out. Well, you guys like texted, or not, you didn't text me, you DM'd me and like tweeted me and stuff that it was back in stock. So I just bought 2 and a size large, and they didn't have an XL, so I hope that large is big enough. This is from Aritzia, and I really like it, but it has, like, I spilled matcha on it at Bethel conference and it won't really come out. Like, how do I get this out of here? You know? And I need to go get my nails done really bad. And yeah, I don't know. Oh, so I'm drinking my water. I can't really sit at my desk. I want this to be a conference table desk. I've had this vision for quite some time, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that. Maybe when my mom's in town, I'll talk to her more about that, because my mom was an interior designer for years, so I feel like that will be helpful. But for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make pasta, and I'm just really excited. I like don't remember if I said this in the vlog yet. I meant to, I think I did, but Casey Musgrave, like someone from her like team, basically of like probably like relations and stuff, reached out to me today. Literally the coolest thing to ever happen. We're getting a lot of stuff done, and gosh, just sitting on the floor right now just feels so good. I don't know why. I'm literally just sitting in the middle of my office. My office is literally the coolest thing ever. Also, I know. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. Also, I kind of like sitting here to film videos. Like, how do we feel about this backdrop? I don't love that the chairs are facing that way. But like if I was filming a haul, the lighting is really good here. I like it. I like it more with frames. When my mom's here, that's what I'm gonna do, is do the frames. Oh god, guys, this will be good. It really will. Okay, so I just edited 2 vlogs, which I feel good about. I'm gonna go make some dinner, and then I am gonna go to church tonight because I want to see Taylor really bad. I'm tired, but like I should just go, and I know I'm gonna be glad that I went. So that's the plan. Currently cooking some dinner. I'll show you guys what I made once it is done. Okay, so I just made some brown rice pasta with kale and broccoli that I sauteed, and I sauteed with, and then I also used this mushroom and company seasoning bun that Kenzie loves, and then I just put some sauce on. See, this is like why I like food combining, because it's like you don't eat, like you can still eat. It's not like restrictive or anything like that. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. I just meal prepped 2 other meals for tomorrow, and like I don't really know the next day. I just had more, and so yeah, I'm really excited for this. Good morning, everyone. So as you guys saw, I just made my smoothie, hot lemon water, and then I actually just made avocado toast to bring with me in the car on this really great red plate. It's the bread that we love. Kenzie showed me avocado, and then everything with the bagel seasoning, and then a little bit of lemon. Anyways, it's 8 a.m. I stayed up like a little bit too late last night, and I woke up at like 7. So not even that early, but I'm just like, ooh. So on today's agenda, Kenzie and I are going to hot Pilates at noon, and right now it's 8. I'm gonna go meet her. She already worked out this morning, and she's in West Hollywood already. So I'm gonna go meet her there, and then do some, I almost said homework, get some work done on our computers, and then go to hot Pilates. But I'm trying to figure out what podcast I wanna listen to, and then I'm gonna head that way. So also, I just want to say a little update on the collagen and stuff. Do you guys see my skin? Like, I normally have at least like 1 or 2 breakouts. I really don't have any. They're just like, these are flat. Like, this is like, I don't wear makeup. My skin looks better without makeup, and I promise you it's from the Vital Proteins collagen. So I've only been using that for like 2 weeks too, and I feel like it really has made a really big difference, and my skin has just been like really great this summer. And yeah, it's the collagen, I promise you, it's amazing. Right, Joe and the Juice. Kenzie is the best person ever and just brought me matcha, but shh, because we're at Joe and the Juice, okay? No one has to know. currently on my way to hot Pilates. It is very hot out actually right now, but this is my first hot Pilates class. I'm really excited because I've heard amazing things. Taylor loves it, Kenzie's obsessed, she's there all the time, and I always see people posting, so I'm very excited. All right, we're on it. I was just saying it sucks for everyone who doesn't live here, is like can't relate, and then the camera went on. We're walking to hot Pilates right now. I'm very excited. I can't wait. Favorite. I can't wait. I just died. It's wow. It feels just like so amazing outside. I'm like,
after
it's so,
that heated room.
Yeah. Oh my god. Like this is actually beautiful. So pretty. Guys, my face is so red. Hot Pilates. It looks like I'm sunburned. It is no joke. It was so fun, and it's just like you feel so good when you're out, but it's hard. Like it's not an easy workout, but it was really good. Okay, so I'm home now. I just made lunch. So I made the rice cakes that I made yesterday, literally the exact same meal, and I'm having the same meal for dinner. Rice cakes with hummus, cucumber, there's a little bit of lemon, and then the everything but the bagel seasoning sauce, and then I'm just having one of the mineral waters. So I'm about to shower. We leave for San Diego in like 2 hours, so I need to shower, pack, do some laundry, get my life together, all in the span of 2 hours. So I'm gonna finish off this vlog by packing for San Diego, show you guys what I'm bringing. We're literally just going for 24 hours, but we're acting like this is an entire like week-long trip, so great. Okay, so here's what I'm packing. Yes, this is a 24-hour trip, and I have 3 outfit options for tomorrow, but I don't know which color dress I'm gonna wanna wear, and I also don't know if I'm gonna wanna wear a dress. So then I have jeans and this top, which I don't even know if I'm gonna wanna wear that. So honestly, I'm just hoping that, you know, something works out. I have my hair stuff, makeup, brushes. I'm probably not gonna like, I barely wear makeup as is. If you guys want like an Instagram video of my makeup, I would do that just because it can't be a YouTube video because it's like 4 steps, but I feel like it's actually like the perfect no makeup look, even though it's really not even makeup, but it's like a good look, you know? And then I have my outfit for tonight. I'm just gonna wear this Cowboys crew neck and then Aritzia sweats, and then my Yeezys. These are the only shoes when I bring this trip, just because it's all I'm wearing. Oh, I'm gonna bring another pair of sweats and like a long sleeve, and then that's it. Okay, I'm bringing just an Aritzia long sleeve and then my Lululemon joggers, just all black, and then slides. I always regret when I don't bring slides on a trip just because I throw them on and it's like so easy. So I need to bring these. I'm gonna pack up my Juicy gym bag. It's so small, it's literally the perfect size, and then I have my other bags. And I'm ready to go. But look how cute Coco is. She's going to stay with Aunt Lana tonight, downtown Los Angeles. Are you so excited for a night on the town? No, she's just not pumped right now. She just woke up from a nap. She's mad that I'm talking. Okay, so everything is pretty much packed. I have my blanket that I want to bring. Ryan's obsessed with that, so I'm just going to bring it. And then I have my bags, and I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm actually going to start the San Diego vlog right after this clip. So if you guys want, be sure to subscribe so you guys can stay tuned for that. I'm literally obsessed with this water, but I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you soon.